Abusia mema wo akwaba edo ba Amazing TV eso. Mesra subscribe to this very YouTube channel. Say wunya and subscribe ya na like this video we na share na abofro enya bi enhwe. Say wo adwenkyire bi afafa comment box no mu yansa abeka. Abusia say de wonim no Amazing de say woni me edi ahyemu a na ye celebrities for no bibi ekoso ewo mo nchan. Yes na dwumadi ya wotwe aye 3 in 1 news. Ya kasa 3 in 1 news wa ya di news makoma akotere e de ma ewo show ba akon personal. Ya start yon sam ne dia abusia mesra wo mamen kan sa ade wei emfa ema. Choose one. $50 million or wisdom and understanding from God. Which would you go for? Yes, abusia question of the day. Which one would you go for? $50 million or wisdom and understanding from God? Abusia yanshai. Wisdom and understanding from God, because without wisdom and understanding, that money will be wasted. Also, with wisdom and understanding, you can get that money multiples in fold. Yes, abusia yansha way. Choosing the money indicates that you are wise. Those who are choosing wisdom want to tell us that they are not wise. After all, since I'm full of God wisdom already, I go for the money. Abusia, question of the day. $50 million and I say wisdom and understanding from God. Which one would you choose? What I said. Yes, which opinion would you support? Obe support to omo mu choose sikano, and I say obe support to omo mu choose understanding from God. Yes, choose na yanko na wonso we nipa. Abusia yentwa yansam no eswai make I say show yi a wo hwe yi 3 in 1 news. The tell me say mama your friend say Mark Brown. Nana Ama Mark Brown, Empress One, the whole Ghana showbiz industry, upu be at said, a man for don't know from heart, yes, from underground wa, a mamia your friend say Mark Brown, a man for Doni Yipa. Abusia, Mark Brown, Ababe surprise say, Black Sheriff, I what said, a consul on Kumbusukura, and what ding, yes, Black Sheriff, a branton our bow, Coco from Pondi, assemble bow, a branton our bow, first sermon, second sermon. Nana Ama Mark Brown Ababe surprising a big one. Nebusia surprise Beni. The ten say Imprima Menuka say Black Sheriff any Papa Bia your friend say Benna Boy Omodi Enyum Barbontin Black Sheriff any Benna Boy waji Grammy bed the woko Benna Boy we Nigerian artist waji Grammy bed abusia uncountable na Benna Boy any Black Sheriff nyumo mudi be ena maamia your friend say Mark Brown wababe ka sembi wahu yes wababe ya de bi ade ama Black Sheriff awa ho na mesra mo moma yenhwe sa video we hwe ni ye fama me like sa video we ankasa wo hwe na share what I say yes moma yenhwe sa video we embra aka say eye Amazing TV yes but you cannot let me in this we can talk. Yes, abusia de ten say papa your friend say Benna Boy and home screen so no what I say yes on the Black Sheriff nyumo mo de ba no and at say oh what preview snippet or preview kitua bi say Ghana for yentie say ade a won my money is long so my friends they carry come and no get no license yeah. Yes, abusia na de ten say Benna Boy a Black Sheriff atumi no aye collaboration na Nana Ama Mark Brown ahu say no the boy needs support. Yes, Nana Ama Mark Brown atena say ahu say no Black Sheriff needs support because enye easy so be betimi ane Benna Boy akwakoye collaboration enye easy what I said to say the enye easy say when sa akwade mo ni satawala mo ebe collaboration no sanso na enye easy say when Benna Boy so be den ebe collaboration nanso Black Sheriff atumi ane Benna Boy ayete se collaboration na atimi a surprise Ghana fo nyina na moma yankosha de Nana Ama Mark Brown waja ade ama abranta your friend say Black Sheriff way yes abusia the ten say Nana Ama Mark Brown ababe post to Black Sheriff ewo ne Twitter sorry ababe post to Black Sheriff ewo ne Instagram story just Mark Brown aba be post to Black Sheriff when the Instagram story na mama yensha ensam a watwere ade afa post na wo post to ye na ho wo post to nimfonyin mama yensha ensam a wotwere ade ka ho en ensam no ne ensam no de aya Reggie Stone ena twere ye ena nana aba Mark Brown aba be share me say mi hu ensam no ade free nana aba Mark Brown page man when you Reggie Stone page what I said yes but it didn't work was no nature as original author no and na Mark Brown aba share mama can I say all in one together now GH stand behind this soul like we the go play soccer yes I say all in one I say all in together now GH stand behind this soul like we go play soccer. We are all we got. Yes, and a hashtag sermons. And a so a hashtag we so munya. Yes, and a so a hashtag patriotic spirit. And I just say what tag Black Sheriff. Just abusunya na we ene de nana ama Mark Brown waba be post no on Instagram story at say efa Black Sheriff ehun de wo pese wo kire nyina na say wo say Black Sheriff modem a wo bon wo Ghana music industry mu no wo say eye extraordinary wo say eye ade bi at say de amanfo a de amanfo mo trend wo the whole Africa ne ade no de omoye no Mark Brown ekire mu enu bia na Black Sheriff nso eye den eye inti Ghana fo we de osramo mama yan support Black Sheriff according to Mark Brown was say mama yan support Black Sheriff they said the Ghana Blasters akokobo ball not say ya de trap to nchen ya de party political party to nchen politics ya de bibia to nchen and support wo no was say sanso na mama yan yan fama Black Sheriff was say mama yan fa bibia to nchen and support Black Sheriff ma ono nso nye den enko nanim because Ghana ni ba akoko nanim na enye hwe what I say Ghana for na Mark Brown say was seremo ensa dansa yam say Ghana ni ba akoko ekwenanimu a ose na chese ose ensehwe inti moma yanya den yan support no na Shatawale eka asembi ewo kase yi mesra moma yenhwe de Shatawale eka yi fiti say ya chi Shatawale na ye release ne de yam se wunua na adwe no em se seminim se ekosanyu niti abom Shatawale ababe post to say ose from now onwards yes opposed to say asem we enche kra ose from now onwards mu aya mo fra no interview no na se mu interview na mo san so keka nkwasa asem no se free na ekọ wono interview bi obe grant bia no sika a wo beje eye $100,000 abusia $100,000 ena Shatawale echirimu a obeteki per interview na ne menyini se Shata obeye interview bia biem ewo ni wiase what ase yes because $100,000 ya working you be lifetime achievement and no there wa ba twira ne fala e de ato ne Twitter page say no obeye den wo beje yes I say amazing TV Mark Brown echiremu a we should support Black Sheriff like we are supporting Ghana Black Stars yes mamemfa wo NC I say